Hey guys, so today we're going to use one scarf to make 3 amazing tops. This is what we're going to do. We're going to start by folding the scarf into a triangle shape and place it like that and cross it at the back like that. And then bring it by the neck like that for lack of a better word. And then I have some beads, some wooden beads I'm going to use just to make the top look stylish. You can use any, or if you don't have, you can just tie a knot. So I'm going to insert the beads like this and then tie a knot. Going to do the folding. We're going to fold the scarf like that, and then this is what we're going to do. Snatch it that way and then tie a rubber band in the inside like that. And that's it. We are done with our first top, and this is how it looks. Amazing top. Now on our second top, we are going to fold the scarf again into a triangle shape, and now we have a ring. We're going to put in the ring that way. And now this is what happens. We're going to tie the upper part that way at the back. Just a knot. Now we grab the lower part of the scarf and tie it at the lower back that way. And that's it. Our second top is done, and this is how it looks. Now on our last top, we're going to fold the scarf into a triangle shape again and use a ring like that. And now we're going to tie the lower part of the scarf at the back like that. And then grab the upper part of the scarf and tie a knot that way. And then put it around the shoulders like that. And that's it. We are done with our third top, and that is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment.